Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I love decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, and so much more. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesdays, our weekly open collab, hosted by the ladies of Elegance. That is the Grace Life DIY home decor and myself, Amethyst Adventures. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish styling this buffet. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you all about the items I've used. I have just some Dollar Tree LEDs. With my tea tray on one side, and these are a brand new purchase. Didn't even take them out the bag. And wait till you see that. Oh my God, Holy Santa. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my God. And the price on these was $12.99. So let me get all of these unboxed and I'll bring you back in a second. Okay, I had this little goodie bag from Goodwill, and out of this bag I am going to use these beautiful Christmas balls, which is why I picked that up. I have these gold napkin rings, which I get from Party City, and if you remember, I DIY'd them for the fall. I just glued some leaves down to them, so I just took those off, and I'm going to get some Christmas balls to replace them. I also picked up this one, which also has some gold accessories, so I may do something out of this bag. I have some little snowflakes and angels that I can use on my napkin ring. And I'll be right back. I'm going to hot glue these on and place my napkins. Okay, that took a minute. I was looking for the AAA batteries for these LED candles, and I did not have any. Or if I do, I have no idea where they are right now. So I had to find some white tapers, and that looks beautiful. So here is our buffet setup, and let me bring you in for that closer look. Those gorgeous, gorgeous Santa plates. Gold glassware, gold snowflake coasters, gold beautiful Christmas trees that I got from Hobby Lobby, gold picks also from Hobby Lobby, beautiful thrifted gold balls, and thrifted candle holder. Isn't that candle holder just beautiful? Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Hope you're not seeing the mess in the background. And beautiful. And our DIY napkin rings from Ornaments and gold napkins on our tray. So I hope you like this gold buffet setup. Please let me know what you think in those comments. And if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.